Okay, so good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we are the day number 9, and today topic is going to be very interesting. Yesterday, I saw that you people are using my instance, only few, not all, and few even did not do anything in my instance till now. Okay, but topic is little different, and topic says, how many of you created the user in my instance group or location data or might be department data? How many of you how many of you have created? They say yes or no.
I created
I
Vikram.
created. Vikram, very good. So Vikram, did you face any issue while creating these accounts?
No.
Okay, let me put this question this way. So you created 10 users, 10 groups, right?
Huh.
Right. Acha. Agar if I change this homework today, that everybody need to be create 100 users and 100 groups. Yes, Ujjwal, go ahead, please.
So Atul, while creating users or user group, I noticed that every time we have to go to that page again and again. So in one go, we were not able to create 10 users or 10 groups at a
Mm,
time. So
that-
I was expecting.
correct. Yes. So now 10 is still a easy number. But if I change this homework, guys, everybody need to be create 100 users and 100 groups, 100 locations, 100 departments, 100 business units, 100 countries. Now what do you think, Vikram? Easy job.
No, it is not easy job. We need to use some uploading the tool, Excel sheet to the system.
ठीक है ना? Easy क्यों नहीं है? Go to all, search for the user, click on the new, fill the data, and then why it's not easy?
Because repeated doing the same work again and again.
Hmm.
If we have any shortcut or any other way where we can
Hmm.
upload it in once, like in offices, how we upload attendance or something, those
Hmm.
kind of data.
Okay. If you are saying these are the issues or these are the problems, then why nobody asked this thing on the third or fourth day? Atul, is any shortcut? Instead of creating a 10 users manually, do we have any shortcut to create everything in a one go? Nobody asked. It means it means you think that okay, what is being given the homework, let's do it.
I
Instead
had
of
that question, but the homework was one user, one group, one user. So uh, if we need to create one user, one group, then for that this manual work is okay. But if in one group we need to like one group we need to assign 100 users, then yes, it will be a task, huge task.
even need to be create 100 users is a big task. That's the point, right?
Yes.
So now we need to be find out the solution for this one. So problem statement is clear कि बस manual work तो नहीं होगा ये सारा. Go ahead, Pratap.
Yeah, so while creating these things, so on my personal PDI, I done these things. I came across one video on YouTube. There is a one import set and transfer map.
Wait.
So
Solution I'm giving. I'm just asking the
okay,
problem.
yeah, I'm saying that during that time I came across this situation. So that time I tried these things, other things in my personal PDI.
That's wrong.
So
That's wrong. Because as I said that I have these things in a kind of a story writing. If I want, I can do it on the day one. Why I give this homework to create everybody to create the other person, other user's account. Like Abdul create the other person account, then Akbar create the other person account. I can create it in one go because I want to be see the pain in your work. Abdul, come on. I can say instead of 10, I can say do it 20 or 30 users in a one go or in a tomorrow's homework. What you did, Pratap, that's okay by seeing because you're going a one level ahead, which I don't want. Okay. Otherwise, the purpose of giving that homework is wrong. The purpose was to see if you're creating user manually, how many mistakes you have done. Yes, you can please.
One more question I have, like once if we create a table and
Mhm.
we clicked on update and we haven't extended it, like is there
Mm.
any way, like by default I clicked on update and later I thought okay it should be
No, no, there's no way. You cannot change it later on. You have to be put the things that yes, I want to make this field extended or not at the before you get the save or update button. Not after that.
okay.
Once a
uh,
table get created, it get created.
can we
Should
by mistake if I created any table, can we delete it?
yes, we can delete it until unless there's a no data that is a good option to
Okay,
delete. Okay,
okay, thank you.
no problem. So now we are going to be see how I can create multiple records in a one go. And this concept is called import set and transform map. Import set and transform map. What does this mean? That we can bring the data into the service now. I'm saying bring the data into the service now from outside world. Now let's say I give this homework to you. Guys, we have to bring the user into service now. ठीक है, तो we can do it. I give this homework to Pratap. Pratap says, well, I need first name. ठीक है. So now the problem is coming. First name, I need last name. Let's say two fields. I give homework to Jogendra, same thing. Jogendra is open Excel sheet. Jogendra says first name, last name. I give same work to Vikram. Vikram created a field. First underscore name and last underscore name. Now, three different people, three different Excels they are creating because they want to be bring the data in the service now. That is a wrong thing. Whenever you need to bring the data in service now, and it is not that you can bring the foundation data, you can bring the transaction data as well in the service now by creating demo data. So what ServiceNow says, this is wrong. Use a standard format. How to get a standard format? Let me come back here. Today I'm going to be show you this thing, and then you have to do the same exercise at your side. And today homework will be taken by Ramna. Take the homework for today. Okay. Yeah. Good. So let's say I'm going to be create a user account. Go to user table, click on the user. How many fields do you think a user table has? If you create Excel sheet, you will put maximum 5, 7, first name, last name, middle name, gender, age, these things. But to get the standard format, right click, import, and create Excel template. Download. And now, after downloading this, open. See, these many fields are in the user table in ServiceNow. Might be Pratap has a question. Atul, what is the benefit of downloading this format? Give me some time. We'll see that as well. Okay. Now we got 47 fields and we can start putting the data into the Excel sheet. Means at least one time manual work is required. So user is active, true. Okay. Business, I'm leaving it. Business impact is critical. Calendar integration, Outlook. City, I'm leaving as of now. I'm just putting a few things to show you something. Cost center, country code, data format, default, department, IT, email, a.b@lng.com, employee number, first name. This is important. LNG, gender, male. Prefix, doctor. Last name, LNG. Street, and this is important, user ID. LNG underscore LNG underscore batch18. And let's say I want to be upload two users as of just giving example. So only these fields. So LNG, I can say LNG underscore one underscore LNG batch18. Let's put the other fields as well. LNGT. Leave it, I don't want. LNGT email and p.c@lng.com and done. ठीक है, एक्टिव टू यस ऐसे कर लेते हैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Save this sheet. Now what to do? This is Excel sheet. I need to get this data into the service now. So the first steps come to build the data source. How ServiceNow and Excel sheet is going to be integrated with each other. Go here, data source, not data source, sorry, data load. Load data. Under system imports at load data. Means I am making a connection between my Excel sheet इसके बीच में और ServiceNow के बीच में. Now, as I say that in ServiceNow everything is a table. That we know that yes, everything is a table. And when I want to bring this data, now take example that you are shifting your house and you book a movers and packers. You pack everything, hand over to the movers and packers, and they reach at the destination. Now, what you will do? Will you unpack each and every bag immediately, or you will take that bag in the house and then you will do open or unpack the bags as and when you are getting time? I think second option is a much better, right? In the same manner, I don't want that this data is directly go to my actual table. So what I will do, it means this is my service now. Let me do this thing. This is my service now. So this is my Excel sheet. This is my service now. Okay. And I need to be get the data into service now. This is my stage table where I'm keeping the data for the time being. Might be the data is wrong, having a lot of uncertain things or problematic data as well. So I will not bringing everything directly into my user table. This is my user table. So okay. So this is my user table. This is my Excel sheet. So now what I'm doing, I am going to be create a new table, and that table is called the import set table. And this is a one-time activity. So if you're doing the user, you need to be create a different for that user table. If you want to be upload the data for the group, create a group table. If you want to create a data for the country, create a country table. So I said create this one, and I am putting user underscore lng underscore batch 18. सिर्फ टेबल का नाम देना है. इस टेबल में डेटा कहां से आएगा? फाइल चूज, जो हमने ये एक्सेल शीट बनाई है ये वाली. अब now it's saying that okay, Excel sheet has a multiple sheets as well. Which sheet I should refer? I said let me remove this to be avoid any confusion. I said so. Let do it again just to be safer idea. Sheet number 1, this is sheet number 1. Okay. And header row, जो पहली row है, that is a header. Don't include this as a data. इन दोनों को छोड़ के, मतलब go to the sheet number 1 and skip this one. Rest all is data and submit. And now if you see, my Excel sheet data is coming into the service now. We have two records, process, two record inserted, because these record does not exist in the service now as of now. So these are inserted. What does this mean? Let me show you. Did we get our data? No. It means Data is still not in the my table, but data is in the service now. If you want to see, you can see import set. देखो ये टेबल हमने बनाई थी ना, LNG. You want to see the data? Yes. देखो ये दोनों डेटा आ गया आपका. Open this and see. Mail, IT, LNG, Outlook. This part done by ServiceNow automatically based on the your Excel format. Now I have to be transform this data into the actual end user table. यहाँ दिखना चाहिए मुझे. अभी import set is called as considered as a staging table. Middle table है ये. ठीक है, which we use for the many purpose. Now I can do one thing. I can go back here and click the transform, or let's create transform map. System import, create a transform map. What the meaning of the transform map? That transform my data which is available in the staging table. So what I'm doing now, I need to build this connection. ये build करना भी हमने. अभी हमने ये build किया. Now we're going to build this connection. Excel sheet staging table ये हो गया मेरा. Staging table to actual table. ये हुआ via import set. ये होगा via transform. So now click and create a new transform map. You can reuse a transform map for the same table next time. That's totally fine. But one transform map work for the one table only. ऐसा नहीं कि ग्रुप का डेटा ग्रुप का डेटाबेस से ला रहे यूजर का डेटाबेस से ला रहे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Let me give a name. User underscore LNG underscore Batch18. ये का source क्या है? Now what is my source? Source is not this Excel sheet. Source is my import set table. ये देखो ये आगे source. ये सब भी छोड़ दो. सब छोड़ दो. We'll discuss. टारगेट क्या है कि ये जो डेटा है मेरा ये वाला, ये यहां पे कैसे जाएगा. ये मेरा टारगेट है. Is my sys user table correct? बाकी सब छोड़ दो, अभी कुछ नहीं डिस्कस करते. And save. Now tell me, if I need to be copy the songs from my mobile phone to my laptop, what I have to be do? I will use either a data cable or either a Bluetooth connection. Once the data cable connection has been built up, what you do? You create a folder in your mobile laptop. Then you transfer the data. Means now table to table mapping has been done. बस ये data इस table में आएगा. But where we have defined that user data or the email ID will go in the email field only. That we're going to do now. And that need to be done by the field map. तो ये क्या है देखते हैं. करो click new. ये कह रहा सोर्स टेबल में कौन सा फील्ड है. मैंने कहा सोर्स टेबल में एक्टिव फील्ड है, टारगेट टेबल में किस फील्ड से मैप करना है, मैंने कहा एक्टिव फील्ड से मैप कर दो, ठीक है, सबमिट। नाउ प्रिया इज नॉट हैप्पी। अतुल, इट मींस ये 47 फील्ड्स मैन्युअली मैप पे करने पड़ेंगे। हाँ, करने तो पड़ेंगे, बट ये तो सर, बट अतुल ये तो सिर्फ सीएम, इसका एग्जांपल यूजर का, कल मैं अगर सीएमडीबी का डेटा लेके आऊंगा उसमें तो 5 उसमें 100 फील्ड्स होते हैं, 100 बार क्लिक करना पड़ेगा। नहीं, वी कैन यूज another option that is called mapping assist. Click source field, source table के fields, target field के, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग, बिल्डिंग। अब तो ये तो और भी मुसीबत है, गलती से कहीं और क्लिक हो जाए फिर। चलो सेव कर देते हैं एक बार। मतलब 47 into 47 2 टाइम्स मुझे 98 टाइम्स मुझे इसको करना पड़ेगा, तब मैपिंग होगी। मतलब शॉर्टकट बताओ, कोई गड़बड़ है तो। Then we will use auto mapping. What is the purpose of having this format from ServiceNow? To make your auto mapping easy. Now what we'll do, ServiceNow will do automatically all the mapping. Click on this auto mapping. And now you will notice all field has been mapped automatically. See, because it is easy for ServiceNow to read the header row of the Excel and map it with the ServiceNow user table fields easily. Because spelling same है, सब same है, इसका मतलब ServiceNow think, oh my, अच्छा ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, I can use the same format. इसीलिए I prefer to recommend this format from ServiceNow, not to use this format. Pratap, now happy?
Yeah, Atul. So again, one use case is clear here, Atul. Basically, let's say we have customer and customer provides some user data, let's say 1,000, maybe 1,000 records. So just we need to play with the header, maybe modify the header
Yes,
value and insert the data. So it will map automatically there. So we
yes,
know.
but always download the format from the ServiceNow itself.
Right, right.
That is strong recommendation. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Now what happened now? We have done that field to field level mapping. हो गया. C drive of laptop map with the C drive of mobile phone. New songs map with the new songs folder. Now what next? Let's bring the data. Click on the transform. देखो उसने अपना बता दिया, यही था ना हमारा इंपोर्ट सेट टेबल। मैं कहा जो लेटेस्ट इंपोर्ट सेट की टेबल है वो डेटा ये रहा मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्म जो मैंने बनाया, इसमें ले जाओ। क्लिक ट्रांसफॉर्म। Transform completed and success. Let check this. ये दो रिकॉर्ड्स हैं जो हमने बनाए हैं। Everybody got it? Doubt, question, clarification. So we got it, what we have created. Go ahead, Bhavna.
इन केस अगर हम एक्सेल शीट में कुछ मिस कर गए तो हम उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं बाद में मैन्युअली।
हाँ, वो नया एक्टिविटी होगा, नया इंपोर्ट सेट टेबल बनेगा उसका। Let's say now, let's say I want to be add the impact for the second user. ठीक है, city is like London. ठीक है, we want to be add this. This is what is your question, right? ये तो भी एक यूज केस है। Save, go back here, click here, go here, search for the load data, come back here. Now, no need to pick at the new table. You can use the existing table. और कौन सा टेबल था हमारा? ये वाला. File, this, submit. 2 records to insert. And now we don't want to create the transform map as well. Run the transform क्योंकि already बना हुआ है. Import set 2 को इसमें ले जाओ. Click transfer. Open this. Sorry, import and transform import logs. अरे ये क्या? एरर आ गई. Right, तो एरर आ गई. Here it is showing is success. Or if I open the import set, 2 रो थी, एक ही दोनों में एरर आ गई. ये क्या हुआ? देखिए रिकॉर्ड्स अपडेट हुए. क्या अपडेट किया हमने सेकंड वाले में? बिजनेस इम्पैक्ट एंड सिटी. यहाँ लेके आते हैं. ये तो आया ही नहीं. गड़बड़ हो गई तो. और दिस वन b.c वाला ये तो है, इसका तो हमने चेंज किया था. आई किया है इसका हमने, और सिटी में लंदन डाला है तो आया नहीं. क्यों नहीं आया? Why it did not come? सब कुछ तो सही. सेम we have done the everything in same manner. Data load, click on the import set, transfer map से map था, run the transfer map and we see this thing. चलो आते हैं इस पे, आते देखते हैं. Open this. डेटा तो यहाँ पर भी है. ठीक है, चलो ट्रांसफर मैप पे चलते हैं जो उसके लॉग्स बने थे. ये एरर ना. ओपन दिस. एरर ड्यूरिंग इंसर्ट ऑफ sys यूजर. मतलब at the time of user creation it is giving a problem. फिर चेक करके देखते हैं कि और क्या है. Same LNGT same. What do you think? What is the problem statement here now? Why my data is not updated? Good, Bhavna.
No question.
Because he is getting the same user.
तो ठीक है ना वो.
So it's already created. So because of that, it's not creating again.
तो मतलब तुम आप फिर कुछ काम करोगे नहीं दोबारा फिर. भाई अब you are working in a company, tomorrow you get promoted. Will that company will create your user account in the AD again?
No, but if I get promoted, along with the promotion, I will get few more access.
हाँ तो but how your promotion will be reflected? In the company, your AD account will be updated, right? You are from software engineer to senior software engineer. कहीं तो रिकॉर्ड
Yes.
करना पड़ेगा ना, उसको अपडेट करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ जी.
तो फिर now as per you तो ये तो अपडेट ही नहीं होगा ये तो.
सर आप एक बार फिर से वो प्रोसेस करोगे क्या? थोड़ा स्लो.
लो स्लो कर लेते हैं, आप देख लो. Now I want to be update city for this one. ठीक है, एक आधा फील्ड और ऐड करना है, कर लेते हैं। चलो इसको, इसका भी आउटलुक कर देते हैं। ठीक है, इसका नंबर चेंज कर लेते हैं। ठीक, सेम थिंग, लेट्स गो हियर। विक्रम की बात मानते दोबारा से करते हैं। चलो, क्लिक हियर, लोड डेटा। ये था हमारा इंपोर्ट सेट टेबल फाइल, CSA एक्सेल शीट, सबमिट, प्रोसीड टू इंसर्ट अपडेट 0 ठीक है, रन ट्रांसफर। ठीक है विक्रम, यही ना
सर
ट्रांसफर?
वहाँ पीछे जो 2 जगह 2 लिख के आ रहा था, बाद में अपडेट्स करके था, वहाँ अपडेट्स में 0 दिखा रहा था कि जबकि हमने 2 चेंजेस करे हैं, तो उसका काउंट तो वो नहीं लिया।
नहीं होगा ना, नहीं होगा वो। हाउ द सिस्टम विल नो कि मुझे अपडेट करना है? दैट्स व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन नाउ।
It will check whether the data is exist or not. If the data already exists or the record is already exists, then only it will update. Otherwise, it will insert.
Bhavna is a system is so intelligent, like you. नहीं ना, system is not intelligent. If the system is intelligent, it should do this transform automatically. But your point is right. It means there is some configuration which we have to be make sure it should be work, it should be configured, it should be flag, it should be tick, it should be active. So that system should go and check कि बॉस मुझे यूजर, आई वांट टू बी क्रिएट अ न्यू यूजर और अपडेट एन एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर। भावना क्लियर? दिस इज व्हाट योर पॉइंट राइट?
Yes.
सो नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू बी डू। चलो ये एक बार रन तो करें, ट्रांसफर मैप इसका हो गया ना, इंपोर्ट सेट 3 अपडेट हुआ, देखे? नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज सिस्टम थॉट कि दिस यूजर आई हैव टू बी सिम, आई वांट टू बी अपडेट द रिकॉर्ड। बट सिस्टम क्या करता है, वो देखता है कि ये तो ऑलरेडी यूजर आईडी बने हुए हैं, तो कुछ नहीं करना, छोड़ दो। हाउ टू ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम? चलो इसको एक काम करते हैं, एक ना और फील्ड एक और एंट्री करते हैं, नॉन क्रिटिकल आउटलुक पुणे c.d@lng.com। सॉरी, इसका तो रह गया था, गलत कॉपी कर दिया हमने। ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं अभी क्या होगा। ठीक है, सेव। ये नया है, गो बैक हियर, गो हियर, लोड डेटा, सेम टेबल है, चूज फाइल, दिस, सबमिट 3300000, run transform, 4 table LNG user, ट्रांसफर सक्सेस हो गया, सक्सेस उसको इंपोर्ट लॉग्स देखो सारे मिरर आ गई 44 पे था ना। इंपोर्ट साइड देखो 2 एरर 1 इंसर्ट, क्यों? बिकॉज दिस टाइम system sees कि user IDs has been changed, so I have to be create the new record, but update अभी भी नहीं हुआ. To do this particular part, if I go back to my transform map, open it, this is my transform map, and in this particular stuff, go to the field mapping, and there's a field called colsec. People call it with a different name. Someone say colsec, someone say colex, something is there. What is this thing? In a classroom, there are 30 students. 2 students with the same name. How the teacher identify that? What is unique between these 2 students with the same name?
Surname.
Same है.
Student ID.
Student ID or roll number.
Hmm.
In our instance, as we see, I guess someone was creating a user called Ajay and then says, no, Ajay तो already created है तो error आ रही है मुझे. So what we'll do? We will create or we will mark user ID. कहाँ गया? ये रहा. Colsec true. Done. अब करके देखो अपलोड. ठीक हो गया 333 and run transform. Number 5, this transform. See the import set and see the user table. Okay, update. And now if you see the import set, no error. इसमें उसने बोला कि वैल्यू चेंज नहीं है इसमें, क्योंकि थर्ड वाले में हमने कुछ चेंज किया ही नहीं. Now what this colsec did actually, or how this colsec work? Why it updated these 2 but did nothing for this one? So colsec says I am a unique identifier. I will go into the actual table and see, is this user ID exist? If exists, I will update the record. If not, I will create the record. That is what the functioning, that is what the mechanism of this protocol callsec is this. Let me come back here. Doubt, question.
Atul, can you go back the value, you change the value false to true once
कहाँ पर?
in table?
यहाँ पे.
No, while you are importing, there is a fields. In the
He,
field
he
level, you
means
change.
on the coal sector.
In the transfer map.
Yeah. Okay. This is a table. Okay. So before you uploading the import set, we need to change the value, unique value to user ID. User ID to true.
कहाँ value? We just change one thing, that is we make user ID as a call sec true. That's all. We just make this call sec value as a true. I can open it and I can either do it from the form or I can do from the list. Just I make it true. That's all. Nothing I did. देखो टिक किया है बस और कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, this the user ID field call sec value change the true value.
Yes.
So as I just understand why we need to change the values true here. The rest of values are false here.
That's fine. In a class, as I say, if two students have a same name, how the teacher will identify? How the teacher will identify? You only say no, that employee number. So why you want to make every other field as a call sec when I can identify the duplication with the one field only? I give one example, classic example. In my school time, there are two cousins. Okay. Both name were same. Aman Sharma, Aman Sharma. Both names were same. Means first name, last name for the both boys was same. Both boys' father name also same. DK Sharma, DK Sharma. Okay. But both date of birth was different. So when anybody come to meet first Aman Sharma and go to the class, teacher says which Aman Sharma you want to meet. मैडम सन ऑफ डीके शर्मा. नहीं दोनों का डीके, दोनों के फादर का नाम डीके शर्मा है. मैडम रोल नंबर दिस और सर रोल नंबर दिस. So did you make every field as a call sec true? Name, first name? नहीं ना. You make only roll number as a call sec true. Service now say if you want you can make it two fields as a call sec. I have no issues. But making more field call sec will create a problem for you क्योंकि वो हर जगह को चेक करेगा. If I say I'm making call sec true for the user ID in the email, if the both value it does not exist in service now, it will not create a user or update a user. Clear was Jogendra?
Yeah. See, here my ask is here, to understand your concept. How should we, because you know that we are using the user table, okay, users table. Use something other new table, some XYZ table is we need to upload in the using up import set. So that time, how should we know that this is a unique field to change the call sec value true?
Who is maintaining this platform? You are the business.
Okay.
No, I'm asking who is maintaining this platform? You are the business.
This ServiceNow team is maintaining this platform.
No, you okay. You have a home, you're staying with family, right?
Hmm.
If I come to your home as a guest, and
Okay.
if there's something break, who know that how to fix it in your home? You or me?
Me only.
Why?
I should know this is a break in this area.
Why you know? Because it is your home.
Yeah.
Same thing applicable here. It's your platform. It is not the business thing. It is a technical thing, and it is your
Hmm.
platform. So you should know that which field is unique in this particular table,
Got it. Hmm.
right? When you book a ticket, might be at the same time there's a many together is filling the ticket or booking a ticket. What different you get from the other Juginders is the PNR number. Clear हुआ फंडा?
Yeah, understood.
Good. Yes, everybody. Clear. Go ahead, Pratap.
So Atul,
Sorry,
in real,
good, good,
okay.
good,
So
good, good.
yeah, in so real world in business case. So let's say let's say I have a customer. Let's say I have a customer and I'm going to upload
Hmm,
data. So let's
hmm,
say if I already have some user on my database, user database tables. So in that case, I will check this call site because I want to avoid these things, right?
hmm.
Else, else if it's a new platform for me, and I'm going to upload user data from customer, and I got the data in Excel sheet, and then in that case, I need not need to check this thing, right? Calls like this
नहीं
thing.
करना
Or
पड़ेगा ना.
the best practice, right? We can say.
No. We had to make one field as a call site. That is good. That is mandatory, I can say.
Mhm.
क्योंकि it is not that you're just going to upload the data. Tomorrow you need to be update the data as well. फिर कैसे करोगे?
We are the best practice. We need to follow this.
Follow, yes.
Yeah.
One field must be call site so that tomorrow if you update the data, system should know that okay, I have to check this field and then update the data.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है. Good, Shriram.
So when the multiple fields are being updated, the same process will be applied. Like we have to change one call sec data, or we have to apply the major fields of the call sec data as a true on that.
No. देखो, call sec should be one or maximum two, not all the fields. So if I make, let's say I'm coming back here. If I make user ID and email, कहाँ गया email?
So
This one. If I make user ID and the email both have the call sec, then while bringing the data in the service now, system will check. अच्छा user ID भी exist करता है, हाँ. Email ID exist करता है, हाँ. If both exist and both matches, only then it will upload. If one exists, one does not exist, it will not update, neither create a new account. ये एंड कंडीशन है कॉल स्टैक में और नहीं है. इसीलिए we avoid more than one field as a call sec. We prefer we prefer only one field as a call sec, not the more than one field.
So if suppose the location of the user and suppose the business one of his business number of his of the user is changed, so how can we apply that on this one?
Call sec is on user table.
Yes.
Come back to your Excel sheet. Update the data and put it. That's all. तो अभी हमने यही तो किया. यूजर तो पहले बारे में बन गया था ना. It's created in the first time only. What we updated?
Yes, sir.
City. Same thing.
Yes, sir.
That we can do it, right? Clear हुआ कुछ? Now what is the homework? Ramna, everybody will create minimum 3 type of data in service now. You choose that what type of data you want to bring. User, group, location, department, incident, problem, any data you can bring it. I have no issue. First step, create the transfer map without the colsec. Second step, update the colsec and then update the data and insert the data. Third step, after making the colsec, update the data in Excel sheet. So don't bring 10 records in a one go. पहले 2 लेके आओ, फिर 2 लेके आओ. Make a changes and then check. So now, third step, when you're bringing the data in the service now, and you have a colsec true, पहले केस में ये करना, इसको छोड़ देना. सेकंड केस में ये करना, इसको छोड़ देना. थर्ड केस में दोनों ट्रू करना और चेक करना. चेक करके देखना. It is easy. English we can understand कि क्या मतलब है empty fields और case sensitive. So in the 3 steps, your data should come into service now. Well, 4 steps. Without colsec, with colsec, third step, fourth step and fifth step. ये होमवर्क में है आपका. तो हिट एंड ट्रायल के हो क्या रहा है मेरा. Might be if you want, just create user table only. Everybody update the user data. You have to bring 10 or 20 more users in service now. Create your import set table. Create your own transfer map. And then bring the data. Clear हो गया homework everybody?
Yes, sir.
Ramna, is clear homework?
Yes, sir.
Good. Send this homework into the WhatsApp group. Now, one more thing, I tell you one interesting thing. I told you yesterday, right? If you're not doing the practice, you will forget. And now I tell you that why I ask everybody to use my PDI and get the update set. Let me tell you that who is doing how much work. This is my update set. This is your update set. Out of 19, I guess, still 2 people are there who even did not get the update set. Let me see who is doing the work. Akbar. 237 updates. He's working on the themes. He created the module. Good. देखते हैं आज सब एक बार सबका देखते हैं चिट्ठी खोल के. अनेरी, भव्या, भावना. 153. ठीक है. Application menu means she is creating the tables. Fine. Good. 118. Themes. Table menu. Good. 383. UX styles. Good. Application menu. Good. Means table creation is going on. क्लोज करते हैं बाकी. This is what the purpose of having these update set in my PDI. Chandu, Gaurav, Jogendra, and Krishna. Chandu is not doing any homework. His update set is empty. Gaurav 58, but did not create any table as of now. Only work on the theme. Jogendra 0. No updates, no table, no user, no theme, nothing. Krishna 29. No tables. I give the example after this that why I'm opening each and every update set. Manish, Pratap, Priyadarshan, Priya, Ramna. 73. Okay, application menu still better, but less. Only one table created. I told to create five tables minimum. Pratap 166. Theme is there. Only one table, not more. प्रियदर्शन चाहिए तो छुट्टी पे निकल गए तो ठीक है. Priya. Priya, no work. Nothing has been kept in my update set. Ramna. No work, no homework has been done. Nothing homework has been done. No homework by Ujjwal. Vikram. ठीक है, but कम है. School IT batches ठीक है. 5 menus looks 4-5 tables. He created it. Yashwant. 0 homework. Now I tell you my. Sorry. Wait. Yashwant, tell me. Can you speak it? Your voice is breaking, Yashwant, for me.
Actually, I've created it in default update set.
No, I told don't use default update set.
When I was logging in again, it was changed in the default. Later, I noticed that it was in default. I moved into the
No,
update set.
no default set. No default update set. You are breaking the rule of best practices. There is the intended purpose that I asked everybody to create their own update set and make it as a default and use it. In 2015, when I started my ServiceNow learning journey, I travel 30 kilometer one side to get a training in ServiceNow. It was an in-person training that time. Over the weekend, Saturday only, 1 hour that person teach, charge very heavy amount, and I travel 30 kilometer for the training. He done the content, came back home, and I said, okay, it's a weekend, let's take a rest, and I will do the work tomorrow. On Sunday or Monday, when I open my laptop to do the exercise, I even forget from where to start this homework. And the people who are not doing any exercise, you're on the same track. Asking question in the training is good. But if you're not doing the homework, you're losing everything. So please do the homework, take it seriously. Okay, Naga, I did not find even your this thing
Sir, mine update set is also missing. I am able to see in my your PDI, but my name was missing.
in my PDI?
In your PDI, I am able to log in when I log in your PDI. Na, I see my name, but in the list it was missing.
वेट अभी कर लेते हैं यार. Edit. ये प्रतीक and Naga.
Sir, I created, sir.
I saw your name now, Prateek and Naga is
Yes, sir.
there.
But he tell that I didn't create, sir. I am shocked. But tables
Naga.
yesterday absent, sir. That's why they.
I'm verifying with that who is doing the homework.
Okay.
Naga zero update.
Update sheets I created, sir.
Prateek
Tables I
zero
didn't
update.
create.
Why? It means you're not doing the homework.
Yesterday I have some work, sir. That's why I went to outside.
Come on, it's the 9th day. Okay, let me see how many of you created the users. कभी कभी ऐसा होना चाहिए, right? Created by. This is the day 3, day 4 exercise, right? चलो ग्रुप अभी पता चल जाएगा. एंड इसको ना फिल्टर कर देते हैं. बैच 18. Now, Abdul done, Akbar, Aneri, Bhavya, Bhavna, Chandu, हीरा, जोगेंद्र, कृष्णा, मनीष, नागा डन, प्रतीक, प्रताप. ठीक है, चलो ये तो सबने बनाया ऑलमोस्ट. आई एम हैप्पी. बट दिस होमवर्क विच इज देयर, प्लीज स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. अदरवाइज there is no way or no purpose to attend this training if you're not doing the homework. So please spend some time for the learning. Listening will not work alone. To be very clear, you will ask the same question again and again because you're not doing the hands-on. चलो last question, doubt clarification. What डांट लिया?
सर एक
Go ahead,
रिक्वेस्ट.
Vikram. Go ahead, Vikram.
यूट्यूब में जो आप अपलोड करते हैं क्लासेस, वो उसमें अगर उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास में कौन सा टॉपिक कवर किया है वो भी अगर उसमें रहेगा तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल लाइक फॉर फ्यूचर.
You're talking about my previous batches or?
हाँ, प्रीवियस बैचेस भी और
हाँ,
मतलब
उसमें है
अभी
ना.
तो जो
If you see the subject line of the YouTube video, I mentioned that what topics were covered.
yesterday I was trying to search something, so that's why I didn't find.
Let me show you something on this board. Go ahead, Ramna, Shriram.
Sir, as I was saying that you are going through each and every profile, and at that profile I saw that mine was all empty. I was creating my user set, I was creating the profiles, and it was not showing in my profile. Why is that?
And table?
Yeah, table is not there.
Did you create the table?
No, sir, no, sir.
Because if you remember, I gave a homework that what did not capture in the update set. And I said that update set capture only the business logic, not the data. इसलिए डेटा कभी आपको अपडेट सेट में नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay, sir.
ये अलग ही प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है. We'll discuss this. We had this problem as well, and we'll see this solution.
So the update set will only record the means
Business logics.
business
logics.
Okay.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
डेटा नहीं होता इसमें, business logic सारा होता है.
Okay, sir.
So if you see my update set, sorry, here, right? I show you my update set. देखो मेरे अपडेट में 318 changes हैं because I do a lot of other work as well. डेटा नहीं है, बाकी सब होगा इसमें.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, चलिए let's take a quick attendance now. Stopping the recording.